The legal status of citizens of EU and EFTA countries who are living in the UK will change significantly after the 30th of June 2021. As a result of the fact that the UK is no longer a member of the EU, they can no longer rely on the EU's freedom of movement regulations to allow themselves and their dependents to live, work and study in the UK. In order to retain their rights to live, work and study in the UK, citizens of EU and EFTA countries who wish to remain in the UK must obtain settled or pre-settled status under the government's EU settlement scheme by the end of June 2021. This scheme also applies for dependent family members who may be nationals of other countries outside of the EU and EFTA. Organisations who have been helping EU and EFTA citizens living in the UK are concerned that there are still a lot of people who may not realise that they and their dependent family members must apply. This is where all UK citizens can help. You may well know citizens from EU or EFTA countries who have been living in your community for some time. If you do, then please contact them and ask them if they have applied and check that they are aware of the issues mentioned in this video. One issue of concern is that EU and EFTA citizens who hold a UK permanent residency card may think that they do not need to apply. This is not the case, as these will no longer be valid after the 30th of June deadline. This will affect some people who have been living in the UK for a long time, in some cases having moved here before the UK joined the European community. They now need to apply for settled status in order to retain their rights. A second issue of concern relates to dependent family members. The freedom of movement rules allowed dependent family members such as spouses, children, parents and grandchildren to come and live in the UK. Under the EU settlement scheme, any such dependents must make an individual application. For instance, the relevant government website states that each child must have their own application. You can apply for your child or they can apply for themselves. A third issue of concern relates to vulnerable people such as the elderly or people with health issues who may not be aware of the change in their legal status and may not be in a position to make an application on their own. Help is available for such people through organisations such as Settled, and the government has also made an allowance for other people such as friends or carers to assist them with their applications. The materials prepared for this campaign include the images shown in this video and accompanying summary text which has been translated into the main national language or languages of each country. If you wish to use any of these materials or to help in other ways, please contact the coordinating groups or Settled.